Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix blue screen issue in Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First go to the search panel. In the search panel, type Valorant. Now click on Open File Location. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut. Go to Properties Compatibility, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Now go to the search panel yet again, type Run. Click on it. Type %local app data %. Click OK. Now find Riot Games here. Go to Valorant Config. Select all the files. Right-click and delete. And that's it. It will remove all the bugs that you are facing in Valorant. And this will fix your blue screen issue. So that's basically how you can fix blue screen issue in Valorant. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.